Ready to power up your Nexmo communications with real-world funds? It's simpler than you think. Your journey to a funded Nexmo account begins by logging into your Nexmo developer dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your services. Once logged in, locate and click on the Billing or Account section in the navigation menu. This is where all financial transactions are managed. Within the Billing section, you'll find a prominent button, usually labeled Add Funds or Top Up. Click this to initiate the deposit process. Nexmo accepts a variety of common fiat currencies. You'll see the readily available options directly on the funding page, ensuring you can use your preferred currency. You have flexible payment methods at your disposal, typically including secure credit or debit card payments and direct bank transfers. Choose the option most convenient for you. When you select your payment method, you'll be guided through a secure form for card payments. You'll enter your card number, expiry date, and CVV for bank transfers. Follow the provided instructions to authorize the transaction. Your security is paramount. Nexmo employs robust security measures to protect your financial information, ensuring every transaction is encrypted and safeguarded. Next, specify the amount you wish to deposit. Carefully review the amount before proceeding to confirm your transaction. After confirmation, your deposit will be processed. You'll typically see a confirmation message or email once your funds have been successfully added to your Nexmo account. And that's it. Your account is now funded, and you're ready to leverage Nexmo's powerful SMS and voice functionalities for your communication needs.